Convert datetime object to a string of date only in Python. I see a lot on converting a date string to an datetime object in Python, but I want to go the other way. And I would like to convert it to string like February 23rd, 2012.
You can use datetime to help you format your date. For example, will yield. More information about formatting see here.
Date and datetime objects, and time as well, support a mini language to specify output, and there are two ways to access it. Direct method call, dt.stricttime format here, format method, Python 2.6 plus, column format here. Format dt, f strings, Python 3.6 plus, fdt column format here, comma. So your example could look like dt.stricttime the date is %b%d, %y, the date is column %b%d, %y.format dt, the date is dt column %b%d, %y, comma. In all three cases the output is the date is February 23rd, 2012. For completeness sake, you can also directly access the attributes of the object, but then you only get the numbers. The time taken to learn the mini language is worth it. For reference, here are the codes used in the mini language. %a weekday as locale's abbreviated name, %a weekday as locale's full name, %w weekday as a decimal number, where 0 is Sunday and 6 is Saturday, %d day of the month as a zero padded decimal number, %b month as locale's abbreviated name, %b month as locale's full name, %m month as a zero padded decimal number, 01, 12, %y year without century as a zero padded decimal number, 0099. %z time zone name, mt if naive, UTC, est, CST, %j day of the year as a zero padded decimal number. 001, 366, % week number of the year. Sunday is the first, as a zero padded decimal number. %w week number of the year. Monday is first, as a decimal number. %c locale's appropriate date and time representation. %x locale's appropriate date representation, %x locale's appropriate time representation, % a literal % character.
Another option.
If you are looking for a simple way of datetime to string conversion and can omit the format, you can convert datetime object to str and then use array slicing. But note the following thing. If other solutions will rise an attribute error when the variable is none, in this case you will receive a none string.
Oh,